welcome to our soul. I'm your host Omkar and you're watching How Dumb Can You Be? Well, you must be wondering why how dumb can you be? Because usually on the quiz contest, when you are asked a question, you have to be smart enough to answer and get the answer correctly, right? But that's the point, guys. On this show, if you want to get the correct answer, you gotta be dumb enough. And yes, this is a new show that we are starting from today onwards. And for the next few weeks, we're gonna go around Mumbai city to find some dumb people who would get the correct answer. Well, if you think if you can be dumb enough, catch us up on Mumbai Street and play How Dumb Can You Be with us. In the meantime, you guys enjoy this episode and I'll catch you in a bit. Which word in the dictionary is spelled incorrectly? And if you can't, then you have to take the punishment.
Okay.
Fuck maybe. What?
Fuck.
Why?
Spelled incorrectly.
Yeah.
Because you can't write fuck as like F-U-C-K. ऐसे star mark होता है ना?
But that's not in the dictionary.
Everyone reads it. Like if an 8-year kids read that word fuck, we're gonna like, Mama, what is fuck?
No idea.
Come on, take a guess. Now you have to answer this.
I'm just saying, if he reads the word, like, okay, fine, he's searching something and then he sees this word fuck.
Confront.
Why?
Maybe.
Why?
People usually say it confront or
That's the different pronunciation.
yeah.
Oh, what is fuck? Two people having something and then something comes out. What does that mean?
The word fuck is an abbreviation.
I don't know, but there are too many meanings about fuck.
How would it be spelled differently? Incorrectly.
Okay. There could be one.
Shit.
T-H-E-I-R-T-H-E-R-E.
No, I'm just saying it. Shit.
Yeah. Come on. You're being smart. Think a little dumb.
What else could be? Eat.
Okay. Promise you won't hit me if I tell you the answer.
Okay, I won't.
Which word is spelled incorrectly in the dictionary?
Incorrectly.
Incorrectly.
Oh shit.
Incorrectly spelled incorrectly.
Okay. He's not that down. Oh.
That was bad.
Wow.
Okay.
You got this one right.
This proves we are dumb.
Yeah.
This proves we are dumb.
That was next level thinking.
If ever fish had money, where would they keep it?
Fish would keep money in water.
I don't know. See, they have those treasure box and all and stuff. Stomach.
Why?
Mouth.
Why?
Who cares?
Obviously they would.
Seashore.
I know this is not the answer, but a lot of...
Treasure box as in you're talking about Ariel and
No.
If they store their money in the stomach, what would they eat? Like where would it go?
और किधर?
Where would you keep your money? Like if you have
Pocket.
lots.
Bank. Home. Bank.
Yeah, so where would the fish keep their money? Come on, nudge your graces.
They can't keep it in a net. No.
Ah yeah, if they keep it in the net then we'll pull it off.
Yeah, that's what. Then I think...
You wanna take a guess?
Thinking about it.
Okay. You're close enough. These fishes are not in the sea. They are in the sweet water.
We'll pass, I guess.
Come on, you need to answer this. Come on.
A lot of ships sink, right? So, somewhere there.
Ah.
The ship or something like that. I know this is not the answer, but...
Where do you keep your money?
Bank wallets.
So where would fish keep
Pond.
it?
I don't know.
Close enough.
No idea.
So, I don't know. Pass. I'll keep the fish pond.
What was the question again?
If ever fish get money, where would they keep it?
Treasure box. River bank.
Oh, okay. Would it be a river bank?
Okay.
Yeah. Right.
Oh, fuck.
What was that?
River bank.
In the river bank. What's up, people? I hope you enjoyed this episode, and I hope now you know how difficult it is to be dumb. Right? It's not an easy task, guys. And if you think you're smart enough to be dumb enough, let's play How Dumb Can You Be? And in the meantime, guys, don't forget to like our page on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and yes, add us up on Snapchat because that's where we do all the stupid stuff, isn't it? Now it's time to leave. I'll see you guys next Friday. Till then, take care. Ciao.